Hi, I'm Matt from Parksure Insurance. Now, we all look forward to a great holiday, take lots of great photos, and hopefully have a great time. But did you know that by posting your holiday photos whilst on holiday, not only tells your friends and family you're having a great time, it also advertises to burglars that you're on holiday and that your house is empty, especially now as posts include the location of where and when you posted the photo. So what, you might say, I'm insured, but are you? And that's the point of this top tip. As if finding out you've been burgled when you get back off holiday isn't bad enough, did you know that many insurers now have an exclusion stating that if you post photos advertising the fact you are on holiday, you may not be covered if your house gets burgled? And it's only a matter of time before the other insurers follow. Insurers are increasingly rejecting claims made by customers who advertise the fact that they're on holiday on social media like Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. The industry is so concerned that the Financial Ombudsman, the FOS, the Association of British Insurers, the ABI, and even the police have issued warnings about posting on social media whilst away. Even if your insurer does not have a specific social media exclusion, they will have a general condition often called a duty of care or reasonable care clause, which states that you must take all reasonable precautions to try and prevent a claim. Advertising the fact that you're on holiday is like placing an advert on your front lawn stating your house is empty. You just wouldn't do it, would you? And yet every day people post they are off on holiday, and some people even post the flights they're on. From your flight number, the burglars can work out when you're due to return, and even if you're delayed. You are not alone. Even some celebrities have returned to a ransacked house after posting about being away. Now, it's true that there is no black and white definition of whether posting on social media would be classed as a breach of the general condition of duty of care or reasonable care, and insurance companies will vary in how they deal with a claim of this nature. It's also true that many insurers will take an objective view of whether or not you would breach this clause. But why take the chance? Is it really that important to tell your friends and family, most of whom will know you're away on holiday anyway? Is it worth that much to show off to your friends or work colleagues that you're sunning yourself or skiing in the Alps whilst they're struggling at work? It's just not worth the chance. So what can I do? Well, it's simple. Wait until you get back. Don't check in on Facebook as soon as you get to the airport or hotel. Just like in the old days when people used to bore friends and family with photos of their holiday when they came back off holiday, you do the same. Not bore them, obviously, but wait until you get home before you post your photos. Lock down your social media. Keep your social media settings private, so only your friends and family can see them. Don't be lulled into a false sense of security into thinking that it's only your friends that can see your post. This is often not the case. Check your friends list. Are there people on your friends list you've never met? And are they who they say they are? Hello call of anybody who shouldn't be there. That casual friend or friend request from a stranger may not be all it seems. Remove personal details you don't need. Do you really need to have your full date of birth or address online? Check online to see just what you can find out about yourself. You'll be surprised and more than a bit worried. Make sure you're not tagged. You might not be posting photos whilst away, but what about your friends? Have they tagged you in any photos? Ask them not to tag you, or even better, warn them to only post when you're all at home. Adjust the settings in your social media so you're not automatically tagged. Likewise, adjust the settings so you can review anything you're tagged in. Check your insurance policy to see if it has a specific social media exclusion. Read the small print. Always a thrilling read. And finally, turn off location services. If you've got this on and linked to your social media, then it will post the location of exactly where you are. If you've tagged yourself at home, then they can work out where you live. Remember, the priority is not to get burgled in the first place. Oh, and if you're going on a holiday, don't forget your travel insurance. But that's another story. Now call us to discuss this or to obtain an insurance quotation on free phone 0800 731 9583 or visit us at www.parksure.com and have a great holiday.